introduce myself to you. Hi, this is Shamil here. I'm here to educate about the high fade haircut.
Okay.
Let's start.
Yep.
Thank you. Before starting the haircut, we have to make sure about the equipments to be more hygienic and to be perfect.
Okay.
So the cleanliness is more important while doing your job. Let's go for the work. We're going to start the haircut. Before starting the haircut, make sure the partition for your guideline, where to blend and then how to blend. So I'm just going to put a clip for the partition. Okay. Both the sides has to be get done. See, I'm going to do a harsher section on the top. Our section has done now, like a perfect horseshoe section on the top, and we are going to do the fade from the sides till the back. Okay. Fade always, I'm using a Berry 2 Walla Pro Lithium series. So I'm going to use the sectioning on the top. I'm not going to give a deep line because for blending will be an issue. At the same time, we have to make sure the cut, the blend and the finishing should be perfect. Make sure the both the sides should be equal and not a deep line, because we have to follow the same guideline for the blending. If you give a deep line, for blending will be more tough. So make sure it should not touch the skin as well as to blend it perfectly. See, where we have done the guideline, from there I'm going to make the lever off and give an half centimeter blended. Not more than that, just a half centimeter. Make sure the clipper goes in a 45-degree upward direction. So the blending will be perfect. For this blending, I'm using a Wall 100 years a limited edition clipper. Now I'm going to use 13mm wall clipper number 4. I'm going to make sure the partition and the blending. So I'm using a vertical way to make the face to get more square look. Once I become into a professional line, my first clipper is super taper. Now I'm walking into wall 100 years limited edition clipper. best part I love to the clipper. Why? Because everyone sells a lot of clippers in the market. What I feel a lot of issues in my previous clippers and compared to wall, the service is good. Aftercare is more important for any maintenance. In that aspect, the second attachment what I'm going to use is 6 wall clipper attachment number 2 to blend below what we have used in number 4. Because I'm doing a little cross towards the crown area to blend. See, the third attachment what I'm going to use is number 3 the wall clipper attachment number 1, and I'm going to blend what we have done with the number 2. So the blending makes sure now more precise, because we are going to work with the next to a 0.5 what we have done. So this time, make sure we should go blend along with the previous guideline. I'm using 1.5 now. This is on with the 1 and I'm doing it with the 1.5. The same place where we done with the 1.5, we are going to work with the number 1. Now I'm going to pull down the lever by half and I'm going to blend the guideline. Make sure you do it more perfected level of blending, otherwise both the sides won't be equal. Use wall cordless designer clipper. This is one of my favorite clipper for zero blending, that is like close cut blending. To the close cut, I have to blend my previous guideline with the 0.5. It's soft. I'm going to use the barbecue as well as the comb to do a clipper over clipper. Just make sure it has to look as quite perfect. See, usually a long back before starting the work with the wall, using and working with the wall, we used to do this technique with the scissor over comb technique. But the clipper made my work time more less. So instead of doing with the scissor and more perfection, more precise, on the same level, and save my time also. Hi. One of my favorite scissors after using so many brands, budget friendly as well as the quality wise, WSPR M60 wall. I'm going to do a classic cut on the top. Then everyone works with the scissor, but my favorite is like, I always work with my berry toe instead of scissor, because again and again I want to inform you that time and the precise look. Even for female layer, I prefer my berry toe. See, just hold it. Make sure, unlike this, make it firm, hold it, and towards your upper partition. And follow the same guideline. The same level. I'm going to use wall better. Again, a Pro Lithium series, one of my favorite for give the outline and to give a shape. Same level here also. I'm just removing the extras. Even a zero fitting you can do with the wall berry. The blending. Hi, again, I'm going to use the wall super dry 2000 watts. I'm going to use a copper ceramic brush for my styling. One of the best one, it spreads the heat all over in the same yellow. My favorite tool. I'm going to use a high speed with the medium heat. Just wanna make a partitioned line through my wall berry to give a more precise partition. Hi friends, hope you enjoy this session, and make sure before removing your client's apron and sending it from your salon, make sure everywhere in a 360 degree you can roam around and check your finishing and the perfect way. And you can do the styling and say, welcome again. Thank you so much.